Sound familiar? That sinking feeling when your shoes are soaked, and you know they'll be damp, cold, and ruined for days. But what if you could reverse that feeling in just 60 minutes? What if the technology to save your favorite shoes, eliminate that terrible odor, and have them ready for your next adventure, fits in the palm of your hand? In 2025, portable shoe dryers have gotten smarter, faster, and more powerful. But which one is truly worth your money? Today, we're putting the top 5 to the ultimate test. We'll reveal the undisputed champion, the best budget king, in one model with a secret feature that changes everything. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. JUKI Force Dry. Best ski boot dryer overall. JUKI makes the world's most popular fan-assisted dryers, and their Force Dry is our favorite ski boot dryer overall. We're fans of the Force Dry because it delivers serious drying power in a compact package, and does it at a price that won't break the bank. The Force Dry will dry most boots and shoes in around an hour, and also works great for drying out your gloves. We appreciate that JUKI intentionally set the Force Dry's heating temperature to a constant 105 degrees Fahrenheit, which is gentle enough for any material from thick leather hiking boots to hard plastic ski boots. Perhaps our favorite feature of the Force Dry, however, is its unique extending heat ports. Both of the ports on the Force Dry can be extended several inches for taller boots, and also rotated a full 180 degrees to accommodate the largest and heaviest boots in your collection. We also love that JUKI recently introduced an entirely digital version of the Force Dry, which replaces the physical auto shutoff dial with an easy-to-read display, and also offers the option of running air-only/no heat, which is ideal for drying wool gloves and socks. Number 2. JUKI Force DX. Highest overall quality. Take everything we love about the JUKI Force Dry above and double it, and you've got the JUKI Force DX. With twice the number of drying towers, the Force DX is capable of handling 4 ski boots at once or both your ski boots and ski gloves after a long day on the mountain. In addition to the added capacity, we also appreciate that JUKI adds the option of air-only drying, which makes the Force DX suitable for more sensitive natural fibers like wool or alpaca. Typically you have to upgrade to the digital version of the Force Dry to get this feature, so we love that it's included in the price of the more premium Force DX. More or less everything else about the Force DX is identical to the Force Dry, including its 3-hour timer and automatic shut-off function. The Force DX also adds a pair of removable extension tubes to the package, which are ideal for handling taller boots or separating muddy footwear from whatever else you happen to be drying. We don't have any major complaints with the Force DX, other than the fact that it costs more than the compact Force Dry or any traditional convection ski boot dryer, but to be fair, you're getting twice the drying power as well. Apart from that, we will note that we'd appreciate an additional pair of JUKI's extension tubes in case we need to dry 2 tall pairs of boots at once, but the shorter tubes will certainly get the job done when called upon. Number 3. Pete Original Shoe Dryer. Best on a budget. The boot dryer that started it all. Pete was the first name in boot dryers, and their original convection design has remained almost entirely unchanged for half a century because it simply works. So what makes the Pete boot dryer such a legendary product? We're partial to the Pete dryer because it couldn't be simpler, combining a gentle convection heat system with a simple yet rugged design that will likely outlive you and your next of kin. Simply throw any pair of ski boots, hikers, or shoes on top of the Pete's towers, plug it in, and walk away. Whatever it is, it'll be warm and dry when you come back in the morning. We also love that the no-frills design of the Pete dryer means that although it's easily the best-selling and most recognized boot dryer in the business, its price remains among the most affordable out there. As far as we know, a Pete dryer has never damaged, shrunken, or otherwise compromised any boot ever made, so whether you're drying a Gore-Tex ski boot or a thick leather hiker, your footwear is in good hands. We'll also note that the Pete offers optional accessories for drying gloves or even helmets, so it's not just limited to footwear. Number 4. JUKI Travel DX. Best portable option. While we'd all love to live next door to our favorite ski run, the best ski trips often require travel to one degree or another. If you're hooked on the feeling of slipping on warm, dry boots every time you hit the slopes, the JUKI Travel DX lets you take that luxury abroad. We're fans of the Travel DX because it combines the same basic approach as a full-size JUKI, heat and forced air, and folds it down into a package small enough to slip into any backpack or carry-on bag. A small fan in the toe of each dryer keeps the air moving throughout your boot, while a gentle heating element helps speed the process along. What's even cooler is that JUKI includes a 12V adapter with the Travel DX, which allows us to heat/dry our boots in the car on the way to the slopes. There's nothing quite like starting your day on the mountain by stepping straight into a pre-warmed and perfectly dry boot, and because the Travel DX uses the same low, gentle heat as JUKI's full-sized model, you can do the same for your hiking boots, running shoes, and sneakers as well. Number 5. Pico Portable Shoe Dryer. If you're leaning more toward the rock-solid reliability of a convective dryer but want something more compact, we've got good news for you. The folks at Pete also make a travel-friendly version of their popular convective boot dryers called the Pico. In addition to its compact dimensions, we love the Pico for all the same reasons as the original Pete dryer. It uses gentle heat that's safe with any boot and material, works great with minimal power draw, and operates completely silently. We also appreciate that Pete includes a standard 12V adapter with the Go, so you can warm your boots in the car while you drive to and from the slopes. Another surprising benefit we found with the Pico Portable is that although it uses slower convective drying technology, it actually dries boots at about the same speed as a portable forced air dryer. And there you have it. The definitive ranking of portable shoe dryers for 2025. No more guesswork, no more soggy mornings. Ready to never deal with wet shoes again? I've made it easy. Direct links to purchase every single model we tested today are waiting for you in the video description below. Just click and choose your favorite. Now, I have to ask you, which of these are you grabbing? The Powerhouse number 1, or the Genius number 3? Let me know your choice down in the comments. I read every single one. If this guide saved you hours of research in soggy shoes, please pay it forward. Hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's always getting their feet wet, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, in-depth reviews that make your life easier. Until next time, stay dry.